My dear viewers, Assalamu-Alaikum. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. And today I intend for this tutorial to be very quick and extremely easy for you, my viewers. And surprisingly enough, this is the look. Look how beautiful that is. It's full coverage. You've got full coverage in the back. And I want you to know that this is a square scarf. And we are going to use a square scarf, and I'm going to show you how to get this look very quickly. So, you stay with me and I will show you how I get this look. In the meantime, I hope you're all doing okay. I hope you're all taking care of yourselves. The sun's out, it's beautiful. Alhamdulillah for another day. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us life again. So let's do our bit. Let's, do the best we can. Always do the best you can. And if you've done the best you can and things are still not that best, you know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is there. Reach out to Him. Reach out to Him. Always stay close. If you've got God in your heart and in your life, things will be better. So make sure, my dear viewers, make sure to keep Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the heart. And do everything knowing that He sees and He knows everything. So do your bit. Do your bit to stay close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So now let's get into this tutorial and I'll show you how I got this really beautiful look. Oh my dear viewers, I'm going to show you how I got that look. And this is the scarf. It's a beautiful square scarf. And in very quickly, I'd like to show you how I achieve that really beautiful look. And what we're going to do is we're going to start here. And we're going to just take the very end of the scarf. And we're going to just pin it here. We're going to use a safety pin. And don't worry, now we have all that scarf. We're just going to bring the whole scarf in the front. And now we're going to, so beautiful. The fabric is absolutely gorgeous. And what we're going to do is just see how beautiful that is? All I did was pull it across, and I'm going to give it a pin here. I'm going to use a safety pin. Not a safety pin, sorry, a stick pin. And I'm looking for one that matches, and that's it there. Now, we've got full coverage, and that's what we're hoping to do. Full coverage. We've got everything covered in the back. It's so easy, my dear viewers, so simple, so easy. If you want to put 2 stick pins here, you can do that. Otherwise, that will stay in place. You are covered. Nothing is showing. You've got complete full coverage. Look at that. How beautiful is that? I want to show you that. I'm going to see the folds, how beautiful it is. And we are done. We're ready to go. Simple. 1 safety pin, 1 wrap, 1 stick pin. And we're absolutely ready to go. Well, my dear viewers, I hope you like that. See how quick that was? It didn't take 2 minutes to do it. So, if you like what you saw, please hit the like button. Do share it with your friends and family, because like I say always, if you share this video and one of our sisters get that urge or get that desire to put the hijab on, you would have done an amazing duty for yourself. Not duty, but an amazing, it would be blessings for you. for this life and for the akhirah. And trust me, we also need to build for the akhirah. So please do share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know the drill. Hit the subscribe button, press the bell, and click on the all. Well, my dear viewers, please, I wanted today's tutorial to be a very short and quick one. I hope you enjoy that. Please do stay safe. We still need to be vigilant about being careful about COVID. It hasn't gone away. It's still there. It's still around. So take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and enjoy and make the best of every moment. Please, my viewers, take care of yourselves and enjoy. Make, you know, sometimes things are tough, and when I say enjoy, you're thinking, well, what is she talking about? But whenever it's tough for you, always think that it's tougher for someone else. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala never gives any one of his creation more than they can bear. So he knows your strength and he knows what to give you. So please do make the best of your moments. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.